Stand up straight, shoulders back, chest out, engage your core. These are just some of the things we know help us to maintain proper body posture. Our posture helps to keep our spine aligned, and it protects us from neck and back pain. But that's not where it ends. Proper tongue posture is also important. The correct placement of your tongue in your mouth can help you to stop clenching your jaw, grinding your teeth, and it can also help with TMJ pain. Let's talk about it. Okay, let's talk about proper tongue resting posture. But first, we need to discuss what not to do, the big no-nos. The biggest one is resting your tongue on the bottom of your mouth or against your teeth, because it can put strain on the jaw muscles, and it can lead to TMJ pain, increased muscle tension, grinding and clenching the teeth. It can cause jaw misalignment and an altered bite, not to mention clicking, popping, and headaches. It can also affect your breathing and your facial symmetry. If you've been living with your tongue in the wrong position, then this may change your life in many ways. Okay, proper tongue resting posture. Whenever you're not chewing or speaking, the tongue should rest gently on the roof of your mouth, just behind the upper front teeth. You do this by making the N sound. The N sound. You make the N sound and leave the tongue right there. Now, close your lips gently. The teeth should be lightly apart, not clenched. Now, suck all the saliva from your mouth and swallow. The first 2/3 of your tongue should now be sort of sealed to the roof of your mouth. This position helps to relax the jaw muscles and reduce pressure on the joint, the TMJ. This is the correct resting posture and placement for your tongue. Now, you'll need to stay vigilant and aware of your tongue's position and posture throughout the day, and consciously reposition it when necessary. If you wear a mouth guard to sleep, continue to do so, while still making sure to position your tongue correctly. This is Dr. Cece. Thank you for joining me. If you'd like more natural solutions to everyday problems, please like and subscribe below.